Besides having mood and voice, the Greek verbs also communicate aspect. For the sake of simplicity, I will split this lesson into lesson 4 into two sections. The first section will focus on the time of action, and the second section will focus on what is called aspect. Technically, this whole lesson is on the idea of aspect, but for teaching purposes, we're going to have two sections. Okay? So, what we're going to do now is when we talk about action, we're familiar with action from the perspective of time. So in our English language, we have 3 times of action. And I put there, can you guys guess? Right? So we have what? Past, present, and future. Okay? The past action is the time before present. John what? Hit the ball to Susan. Okay? That makes sense? Okay. Alright, present. Okay? The present tense of the action is the verb tense expressing action in the present time. John is hitting what? Paul's ball to Susan. Okay? Simple enough, right? Okay. The third one is going to be the future. Okay? The form of the verb used in speaking of action or state that has not yet occurred or come into being. John what? Will hit Paul's ball to Susan. So technically, in grammar, the past, present, and future is judged from the point of reference of the writer or the narrative context of the story. It is the choice of action that the speaker chooses to present to the hearer. The Greek employs the use of the 3 different times of action. Okay? Any questions on that? It's pretty self-explanatory.